Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Hyundai Kia flip key. This particular model was used for cars starting from 2006 up until 2014, even 15. So in order to open the case and get to the battery, you can even use your hands. It just clips out. And after that you have the battery inside here. With the help of a small flathead screwdriver, release the battery from its position, in our case a CR2032. When you release the battery, you change it with a fresh one. Please make sure you put the positive side of the battery facing up. Then clip the case back together and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.